Okay, besties. I finished Verity at last. Verity is a psychological thriller featuring Lowen Ashton, a struggling writer that is hired to complete a series for an injured author, Verity Crawford. While she was in the Crawford's home, she uncovers this manuscript depicting Verity as this monster. So we uncover like shocking secrets about her family and her children's death. While Lowen was uncovering Verity's life through the manuscript, she was falling in love with her husband, Jeremy. Now, her and Jeremy, you know, Verity, then they later on discover a letter contradicting everything that was said in the manuscript. Which means everything that was said in the manuscript is false. Whatever she was saying in the manuscript was not true. Well, that's what the letter said. It was a really great read. I really enjoyed it. I loved the twist at the end. But guess what? I don't believe the letter. I'm staying true to the manuscript. Whatever she wrote there, those were the truth. Whatever the letter said, that was a plot for her to try to get Jeremy's good side. Into Jeremy's good side. To try to, amend herself with Jeremy. I don't believe that I no. Yeah, so pick it up. You guys need to read it.